Listen and number the animals. Animal number 1 is orange and brown. It has got a long neck and 4 long legs. It eats leaves and lives in Africa. Animal number 2 is big and heavy. It has got big ears and a trunk. It can swim and run, but it can't climb trees. Animal number 3 likes cold weather. It is black and white. It has got wings, but it can't fly. It can swim and it eats fish. Animal number 4 is very colourful. It has got wings and it can fly. It lives in the jungle. Animal number 5 lives in a river. It has got a big mouth and lots of teeth. It is big and it has got 4 short legs and a long tail. Animal number 6 can climb trees and run. It has got a long tail and 2 hands and 2 feet. It eats fruit and nuts. Animal number 7 is orange and brown. It can run and it has got big teeth. It has got 4 legs and a tail. Animal number 8 has got big teeth and long hair around its face. It can run and it lives in Africa. It has got 4 legs and a tail. Listen again and complete the sentences.
Copyright GRU Languages 2022.